I am sure you heard about Mediterranean food that are good for our health. The question I'm going to ask, do you know which Mediterranean diet they are good for you and why they are good for you? What's the health benefit of them? And today's video, I want to show you one of the food which you can prepare with me, and I'm going to explain exactly health benefit of that food with a simple eggplant pickle, or as Italians say, it's Melanzane sotto olio, which is very simple, is delicious, and there are a lot of health benefits. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Reza and I have over 26 years experience in research and working in pharmaceutical industry. And since this year, I decided to become full-time healthy lifestyle coach, especially for middle-aged people. In today's video, I want to share how you can prepare a simple eggplant pickle in Italian style and why the health benefit of this food is and why you should add it to your diet. Therefore, without any further delay, let's start to preparing that pickle together. I'm just going to drop it in the water. It doesn't get the oxidation happen quickly. This is a funny one. Sometimes comes in different form and shape. And lucky last with the nose. We initiate a process called osmotic dehydration, which not only that removes the bitterness of the eggplant, but also reduce the risk of the microbial growth in that eggplant and increase the amount of the fiber and antioxidant in the flesh of the eggplant. Just all of the eggplant been salted, and under this I'll put a plate, and the same for this one, and I'll put weight. Just be using a bit of almonds jars, and we wait. As you can see, a fair bit of water from eggplant just came out. Therefore, we're gonna remove those plate, and volume almost close to the half. From here, therefore what we're going to do, because of salt can irritate your skin, I'm going to put the gloves on and squeeze them and then drop them in this bowl. Grab some, a small handful, put it between your hand and just squeeze them basically. Try to get most of the brine out. Put it back here. Right, that's start to boil. I'm going to turn it off and let it sit. Hopefully it's enough. We squeeze the brine out of the eggplant. This is 50% of vinegar and water, and I'll boil it and turn it off. And when its temperature drop around to 80, let's measure. That's good. I'm gonna start adding vinegar to this mixture. Not only create better taste and aroma, also reduce pH, which is stopping the harmful bacteria grow in this pickle. Also improve insulin sensitivity of us when we consuming high carbohydrate food such as bread. Put the lid. As the eggplant start getting cool, I just cut those garlic to slices. It's followed by preparing our fresh chili and our herbs, which is oregano and thyme, and try to get the stems out of the oregano and just put the leaf, and thymes are going to add it into the jars. Alright, those eggplants sitting in vinegar, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just actually tip them over here. To get most of the vinegar out. And again, what we're going to do with the gloves on, because now vinegar also is not good for your skin. What we do, again, grab a bunch, again squeeze, but instead of twice the squeeze, I just squeeze them once, and I just put it here. I'm gonna add garlic and oregano leaf here, fresh one. Also, I'm going to add some chili, but I'm gonna add a bit of chili flake. I'm gonna use just 1 tablespoon, sorry, and 1 tablespoon of oregano. And add a bit of olive oil. And just mix them up a bit. Also, I have better quality of the white vinegar, which is from wine. Just gonna add a bit here. Extra acidity helps to avoid bad microorganism grow in this eggplant pickle. As you can see in this graph also, that vinegar helps to reduce the spike of the glucose in our blood after consume of the meal, which reduce the risk of the type 2 diabetes. This is olive oil from Dan's family, my friend. If you're interested how we extract that oil, I'll put the link below. In those extra jars, I put around 1/3 of the olive oil, around that much. Put 2 chili in each. Then add a couple of those fresh thyme in. Nicely packed. We just cover them finally with a bit of extra oil in the top. And start putting the lid. As you appreciate, to making this eggplant is very simple. Also, its taste, I have to say, is great. And it's very versatile. You can have it in different type and shape. Also, they provide you a lot of health benefit. Is one of them, as kind of highlighted. It's because of the high fiber of the eggplant help your gut health. As a result, you have healthier immune systems because of the antioxidant from all of the herbs, garlic, and olive oil protect your cardiovascular system and your heart. And finally, because of the combination of the oil as well as vinegar, it helps you to reduce risk of the glucose spike after consuming carbohydrate-rich food. And I hope that motivates you to prepare that food for yourself and your family and friend and enjoy it. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumb up and share it with your family and friend. In the end, I want to again thank you all to give your time to me and watching this video. And until the next video, please eat healthy, be active, and be curious. Bye for now.